Welcome back again to my channel. The name is Ginny Mensah and thank you for tuning in. I have learned so many things in the past year or so about YouTube, and I just want to share some basic things to know before you start a YouTube channel, as well as some basic tips and basic equipment. In general, some things you have to know before you can start a YouTube channel. The first equipment I want to talk about is a camera. Of course, before you can start a YouTube channel, you do need a camera. Do you have a phone? Yeah, I think you do. So that is all you need to start a YouTube channel. With time, when you make money on YouTube, you can go ahead and get the most expensive camera. So this is a funny story. When I started YouTube like 2 years ago, actually I had to use this tiny camera. It was such a tiny camera. I was looking for the camera, but I couldn't find it, and I had to sit it on a TV box. Literally, I sat there on a TV box to be able to record. I'm saying this to say that you do not have any excuse. Stop making excuses. You do have a phone, so your phone can actually record the videos for YouTube. So go ahead and start this YouTube channel. I use a Canon T6i. It has a viewfinder, which makes recording very easy. But if you get a camera and it doesn't have a viewfinder, you can actually use a mirror. You can put a mirror behind the camera and then you can record, so you can actually see everything you are doing while recording. If you do not have a camera with a viewfinder, you can go ahead and use a mirror in the back so you can see me. Let me turn it on. It's not me. Yeah, so you can see whatever you are doing. So this is a very good one if you don't have a camera with a viewfinder. Before I had a camera with a viewfinder, that was another way of recording videos. Still on the camera, you can also use your phone. Initially, I was having some issues with the camera and I felt like the quality is not up to par. But I do use an iPhone XR. I had to do some research on how to record videos in 4K, and honestly, it has been life-changing. So I'll show you how I actually change it in the settings so you can actually do this. That is if you have an iPhone XR too. So but whatever phone you have can also work. So once you started recording your videos, you want to think about the lights. I'll show you a video without good lighting, and then you can compare to this very one you are watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted you to compare this video to the very one you were watching. Which one is better? Which one would you watch? This is not bad, but let's be honest, you definitely want to watch a video that is well lit. I use these lights I purchased from Amazon. I think it was like $58 or $60 for 2 lights. Again, you don't have to buy these lights. You can use sunlight. Sunlight is free. Just make sure you are recording during the day when the sunlight is not too much, because it might cast some shadow in the background or it might cast some shadow on your face. The next I want to talk about is background or backdrops. If you do not have money to purchase backdrops, don't do it. It's okay. You can actually use a plain white wall to record your videos. It just depends on the vibe you want. But if you want to get backdrops too, Amazon has like really nice backdrops. I am not really a big fan of backdrops. I do have some 2 wall hangings in the back, so I'm going to set up another way so you can have a feel. I'm going to put my clothing rack with clothes behind me and also put some flowers in the back, just to make you see like the difference it can make. And voila, ignore the clothes. This is another clothes I wanted to put on here. It just happened to be on there. I'm just trying to show you an example, and look, it did make a difference, didn't it? So you just have to be creative, and if you're not that creative or you don't want to do the most, just use a plain background. It's about to fall. No? Okay. Some people even decide or choose to record on their bed. It just depends on the vibe you're going for. I've covered camera, I have covered lights, backgrounds, and backdrops. So now I know that you've already started recording your video. I just wanted to share some editing apps too. I usually use Final Cut Pro for my vlogs because it has a lot of features, and for sit down videos like this, I use iMovie. There are other apps out there. If you do not have iMovie or Final Cut Pro or Adobe, there are other free apps. I know there is Videoshop, there is Splice, there's Vimeo, there's InShot. There are so many other options out there. When making your videos, you can choose to use an intro or not. I have an intro now. I did that intro myself. I know there are other people who can actually do intro for you, and they may charge $7 to $15 depending on how basic or advanced you want it. Or you can actually do it yourself. It can be time consuming, but it's totally worth it. You can do using videos or pictures, or you can just do basic one your name. Intros are important in my opinion. I think you should also consider that. The next thing I want to talk about is thumbnails. Your thumbnail is so important. Initially, I didn't know much about thumbnails, but now I see how important it is, because that's the first thing people see when they want to click your video. You want people to watch your video, so make the thumbnail very interesting, very colorful, make it you, of course, so that people will just want to click the video to see what's in there. So I use Fonto or Canva for editing my thumbnails. I'll definitely do a video on how I do my thumbnails too, if you want to see that. Your YouTube banner is also very important. Again, you can create it yourself or let someone else create it. I don't really care about outros, because now YouTube has the outro feature on there. I think I have covered everything, or the basic things you need to know before you start a YouTube channel, or if you've already started. I hope some other tips I shared will help you. Let me know what other videos you want to see on my channel, because I will gladly do it. I really enjoyed recording this video because I enjoy helping people, and that is the main goal of my channel. So again, I'm going to end this video here. I think I covered everything. Let me know what you guys think, and also if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. I will gladly answer. Without further ado, I love you guys and see you in my next video. Bye.